Good morning from another side of Metz. Heading out to Paris today. I have to show you my host's bathroom. It's so cool. Pretty cool, huh? Our host fixed us a nice breakfast.
He did.
And some coffee with Nutella, her favorite.
Nutella and a jam, a homemade jam.
Oh yeah, Mirabelle.
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 Mirabella, I think.
I think it was Mirabelle.
It's like a local plum-ish type thing from Metz.
It looks like
Metz.
a peach though. Or like when it's in there, it looks like a peach. And the coffee was the best coffee I've had in Europe.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh wow. That might be my first coffee in Europe. Well, I guess I've had those iced coffees. He's just taking a shower, and then we're gonna head out to the bus station to get to Paris.
In 4 hours.
We'll update you at the bus station, I guess.
Oh, you told them that we left the other house?
Yeah,
okay.
Briefly. Like I think they know.
Okay.
They know. I also showed the really cool bathroom of the gorillas.
And then in the bathroom, because that's a toilet. But then the bathroom, he has like a big clock like this big, and then it is the same one in his room because he showed us his room. It's the same one, and they work. He said, but I thought they had mirrors in the center, but they have a hole in the center. So it's from the past owner. He didn't do that, or the subway one.
So you can basically see from like the bed of the bedroom into like where someone's showering. The past owner seems like a kind of a wild guy. Like if he did that subway graffiti thing plus the see-through clock thing. I'll show it after this so you can kind of get like a visual of what we're talking about. So here's the clock.
You just have to be naked in the shower now.
That's good. Just kidding.
And then that is the that's the shower. That's the shower right there. And so whoever had this first, they would have the bed right there, and they could see whoever's showering. Oh my gosh, classic. All right, we're at the bus station now. It's closed, so we're outside of it, but the bus should still pull up here to pick us up. And we'll see you in Paris after a 4-hour bus journey on Flixbus. It's not going to be fun, but we're going to Paris, so it's worth it. All right, we made it to Paris. Look at all these Flixbuses. They're everywhere. How excited are you? The #1 place you wanted to visit in the world. We're here.
I'm so excited.
All right, now we got to watch the train to take to our. Let's go this way. To take to our Airbnb. We're just walking through the Bercy Park right now. I didn't realize there's so many people out and about right now. It's so cool.
I know.
Really cool vibes so far.
Such
we're liking
contrast
it.
from Metz.
Yeah, we love Metz, but this is such a different. Yeah, it's really cool.
Yeah.
Look at this cool artwork. So cool.
Today, cool.
And then the bed. We want to sleep. We could just sleep there tonight.
Oh my gosh, yeah. Why even make it to
Airbnb?
Airbnb?
It's the Airbnb is 45 minutes away. We could just sleep right there. Look at this train. It has 3 tiers. There's one down there, one in the middle, and then one on the top. I've never seen anything like that in my life.